are again with Marjorie, and I wanted to ask you, when does the season start?
Well, About Town Taste offers their walking adventures every single weekend of the year, except major holidays. May to September, we even include Fridays as well as our usual Saturdays.
Okay.
So there's something every weekend for you to choose from.
And what is the timing? You start in the morning and goes a day, or?
Fridays we do it the evening so we can enjoy the nice breeze and wonderful weather that we have in Fresno. And then Saturdays we do it in the morning.
Okay.
So we can stay when it's nice and cool even during the summer.
Right.
Because we do walk from location to location.
That's great. So, I mean, what is the distance usually that you do the walking tours? Is it like a mile or?
Well, in time-wise, we keep them under 2 hours, and that includes all of our food stops as well. But distance-wise, it's just a couple of miles, probably, that we cover, and it's all on level ground, so even people with special abilities and needs can join us as well. Something fun for them to do, too.
That's great, because in that way you can get some exercise in while you're enjoying all the sights of Fresno.
Yeah.
And food. That's always good, too.
Definitely. We want to make everybody welcome, and I think food's an important component of that.
How long have you been doing these tours now?
It's been a couple of years now, and then I did research for almost 3 years before that, before I really started. And I started doing tours privately with my friends as an experiment to see if it's going to work. Yeah. And so now that's how I came up with 4 tours at the moment. So it's downtown on Fulton Mall.
Okay.
Then we do on the second weekend Art of Graffiti, which explores all of our murals. The third week is Old Town Clovis, and the last weekend of every month is the Tower District. And I think it's great. They're good options that get you really out there and connect with the city one step at a time.
And what's the best way that we can find out more? Do you have a website that we can look to?
The website's in development, but you can contact me at 559-392-4471.
Very good.
Or you can check it out on Facebook, About Town Taste, and it'll be up to the minute what we do and where we're going each time. So I'd love to hear from people if they want to join us. I do need to hear from them in advance.
Right. And what's the usual time that you need reservations?
A couple of days in advance, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
So you can just give me a ring and say, oh, I want to come along with you next weekend, and we'll get it all set up.
And what's the normal size of a tour? Do you have a limit on how many people can do?
Yeah, the most that we can do is 15 because a lot of the restaurants are smaller, and some of the locations, like the historic buildings, are very small inside, and so we have to limit it.
Okay.
But I do it for one person even. If only one person calls me, I will take you out and you'll get a private tour.
Well, it sounds like it's a great idea for if you want to have friends coming from out of town, you have something to do, and then even birthdays. I mean, it would be fun to have for your birthday to go out on a tour.
That is actually one of the most frequent reasons that people give for doing one of our tours is that they want to take somebody out for their birthday, which I thought was really different. I wouldn't have thought of that myself.
Now, what are the price ranges on what the tours cost per person, or is it?
Right, it's per person, and it's $25 each. That includes your food, your tour, and the taxes. Yes, I think it's a great value.
Very good.
So if you have a couple hours, give me a call. I'd love to have you join me.
And you lead all the tours?
Most of them. I am training a few people so that I can have a break once in a while.
Sure.
But yes, I do most of the tours.
Well, that's great. Well, I look forward to joining you on some of those.
I look forward to having you sometime. That'd be fabulous.
Maybe that can be my next birthday. I'm always looking to do things out in Fresno, and do a lot of fun experiments with other people and see what they're doing, and so it's great to see what everything is going on.
Our city has so much to do now.
Yeah.
So much, and there's such a rich history of art and history here. I want to connect people in that way with our community.
Well, I think it's a great idea to include the arts with seeing the sites of architecture in Fresno and the food. I mean, you got everything. That's perfect.
Well, then I weave it all together with some interesting stories about our founders and why that building came to be, or maybe who was involved with it.
Very good.
And a little scuttlebutt about it, too. We like to include rumors and gossip.
Oh, really?
It makes it more interesting.
Very good. Well, thank you so much. I look forward to hearing more about it.
Good.
Thanks.